Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem here. Says find the inverse of gx is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 4x plus 2. We use switch and solve strategy. So follows these steps. So here gx is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 4x plus 2. So replace gx with y. So y is equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 4x plus 2. Now switch x and y's. Okay, so this is x and x replace with y. So 2y minus 3, 4y plus 2. Now solve for y. Okay, so here 4y plus 2 in denominator, so this side multiply. X multiply 4y plus 2 is equal to 2y minus 3. So this is 4xy, this is 2x is equal to 2y minus 3. Open parenthesis and use distributive property. Okay, now um, 3 transfer this sides and 4xy transfer this side. So add 3 both side, okay, and subtract 4xy, subtract 4xy. This is cancel, this is cancel. 2x plus 3 is equal to 2y minus 4xy. 2x plus 3. Here we can take common y. So this is 2 minus 4x, and now we can easily solve for y. So 2x plus 3, and this is multiply with y, so other side divide. 2 minus 4x is equal to y. Or we can write y is equal to 2x plus 3, 2 minus 4x, and y we replace with f inverse x, but here given gx, so we can write g inverse x. G inverse x. 2x plus 3, 2 minus 4x. This is the inverse function of gx. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.